You know what we do in this channel, let's go.
Kid sit. Kid sit. Kid sit.
Do it,
Yeah, let's get right to it.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Kitsit Beats. This is what we are going for today, guys.
I am mama, I am magic, I am mama, I am mama, I am mama, I am magic, I am mama, I am mama.
If you want my beats, guys, I have a channel. I will leave a link in the description below. Let's get straight to the business, guys. This is my lead vocal, guys, and what I like to do, I like to record maybe 2 vocals that sound the same. So what I did on the lead vocal, I will tap to this icon and then I will go to the pitch corrector. This is the first thing that I like to do. I will just check the scale, my vocal scale. This is minor D, and then after I will go to my mixer channels. This is in channel number 6. This is my lead vocal, guys.
I am mama,
So in this channel we have auto tune, our scale, minor D, then alto voice, and then I will play with the return speed. I put it number 8, and then flex tune 18, humanizer 49. I don't want it to sound robotic and with only auto tune in it.
I am mama, I am magic, I am mama,
This is without.
I am mama, I am magic, I am mama.
So what we hear, guys, is that the auto tune made a difference, but it's slightly one, guys. Yeah, so that's it. And then what we do next, we go for EQ, guys. I will cut out the lows and boost the high frequencies, and let's listen to it with the EQ.
I am mama, I am magic,
Without.
I am mama.
And then what we do next, we add our de-esser. You can use the preset one, guys, for maximum, guys. So is the de-essing, it cut out the S's or it compresses them, guys. And then what I did next, I will go for sound goodizer. So
I am mama, I am magic, I am mama, I am mama, I am mama, I am magic, I am mama, I am mama.
I don't want my voice to be different to my original voice, guys. I'm just cleaning up those muddy stuff. Yeah, and then what we do next, guys, we go for a compressor. This is through the limiter, but I don't recommend beginners to use this one, because you'll find that they will want to see how they compress their vocals instead of hearing how the vocals sound when it's being compressed. So this is the compressor that I will recommend as a beginners to use, guys, because this one you can clearly hear how your vocal is being compressed, and then like the quality comes from your ears, not your eyes.
I am mama, I am magic, I am.
So your threshold about minus 17 dB to minus 25 dB should be fine. Your ratio must be like, actually it depends on each and every vocal, guys. So with this one, it's here, and then
I am mama, I am magic,
and then we increase the gain.
I am mama, I am magic,
You will find that the way your effects are being arranged, it matters, guys. You must know how to arrange your effects, guys, because let's listen to this. Let me drag this compressor down here and I will switch on all of these effects. Actually, I will delete this one. So let's hear with the compressor down the mixer channel. And with the compressor in the middle. So you find that the compressor, it compresses all of these. So arranging your effects, guys, it does matter, or your plugins, guys. And what we do after our compressor, we'll go for fungus. Let's switch off the and then what we do next, we add our reverb. And then, guys, you must always add a reverb, guys. Like, even if your word is about 4 to 10%, it's just okay, guys, but you must always add a reverb, guys. You don't need much of a reverb, guys. You just need a little reverb, especially for your leading vocals. And then we'll add a delay. And then in the delay too, guys, we'll add the delay too, and then we play with the card, and then about 13 to about from 0 to 15% should be fine, guys, the cutoff. And then we play with the time, you be 8, and then that's it, guys, about the lead vocal. And then in the next video we'll go through how to mix the backgrounding vocals or layering the vocals, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Please, if you like the video, consider subscribing, like and share, and comment on the comment section below, guys. I love you all. Peace. I am